Hi everyone, this is Balwinder. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an aggregate event. This is the new feature Facebook released early 2021. Guys, क्यों Facebook ने a feature release किया? Since Apple released their iOS 14, they have that functionality कि जेड़ा भी user iOS 14 use कर रहा है, they can opt out from the tracking option, which means any marketing app they cannot track the user, but the Facebook is working based on this all information. So guys, this is the important thing for Facebook, that they have to release a new protocol so that they can track the other people's and their activity, right? That's the reason Facebook ne a option, a protocol release kita. So in this video, I'm going to show you what is that and how you can set up that aggregate event. I think that will be really helpful for you if you are using Facebook Business Manager. Before this, you need two things set up to use this Facebook aggregate events. Guys, first thing, you have to be set up a business manager, which means you need to be set up Facebook Business Manager from where you can run your ads. If you're new in this channel, you can watch my other videos that how you can set up a Facebook ad manager. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा details cover किया, right? The second thing, guys, you need to be verify your domain. जेड़ा भी domain तुसी use कर रहे हो अपनी website दा, you need to be verify. You can see my other video as well, which I make it for you. It is also in detail, so just have a look on that video. Once you done this two step, then continue with the other step, will definitely help you out. So aggregate event, just jump onto the screen. And see how you can set up that aggregate event, right guys? So ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ Facebook Business Manager ਤੇ ਆਓਗੇ, you need to be click on this and come on the event manager option, where we can set up our every events, each and everything. Make sure guys, ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਉਹ account select ਹੋਵੇ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ through ਤੁਸੀਂ ads run ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ domain ਤੁਹਾਡਾ setup ਹੋਏਗਾ, right? So add account, which would you like, just need to click on this. Once you come here guys, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਹ option ਆਏਗਾ ਨਜ਼ਰ aggregate ਦਾ ਉੱਪਰ message ਵੀ might be ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਆਏਗਾ that Apple announced that iOS 14, which I already mentioned you, but ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ most important thing ਹੈ, by default we have added 8 events. Means ਜਿਹੜੇ events ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ track ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ, we have a unlimited events on that time, but still now Facebook just allow you 8 events to set up. मैं तो clear करता what does it mean as, right? So when you come in aggregate event measurement, this is whole the protocol where you need to set up the event. Configure web event. एक और गल guys, I highly recommend, or this is my suggestion from you, please do not edit again and again, or you can say that do not edit this event oftenly. Means अगर तुसी event ਨੂੰ edit ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, it takes 72 hours to get it update. ਤੇ 72 hours ਲਈ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ad set, ਜੋ ਵੀ event ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ event ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ad set ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ target ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਉਹ ad set, ਉਹ ads 72 hours ਲਈ automatically pause ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੀਆਂ. I hope you understand that part. So मैं already event बनाया है, मेरा already domain setup है, verified है, right? Sorry, not 3 domain, मेरे को 3 events ने. You will be see this high prioritized and low prioritized. What does it mean? Guys, पहला की ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ, मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ एक चीज़ clear कर रहा हूँ. पहला की ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ event ਨੂੰ track ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ funnel ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ. Means अगर ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ एक product which would you like to purchase and you want to track that purchase event, you can track the people who come on it, means view content, then initial checkout or lead form, then initial checkout, then purchase. You can track this 4 event before that, but now you can only track the fun event which would be on the highest priority. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੱਕ ਇਹ event track ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, the rest below events Facebook will not give you any data at the moment, right? So they will be give you the data of कि ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ purchase ਹੋਈ end of the day, right? The kinne people visited kitte us page te, then how many leads or how many purchases you get it. So this is the important. Main just 10 event setup kitte. I have capability to select up to 8 events, right? Facebook they already jada main another already feature hai. So agar main manage karanga, they will be give me that option that that they will be pause my ads or ad says just for 72 hours. अगर मैं कोई भी change करना, मैं change नहीं करूँगा, just I'll show to you. You can manage the all events here. देखो guys, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੋ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ events ਨੇ, custom events, custom conversion ਤੇ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ automatically standard events ਨੇ through your Facebook pixels you can get it. मैं कोई भी event add करदा, for example which I would like to give them a prioritized, मैं अपना pixel select kita, then I come here and selected lead if I would like to track the lead. So I'll come on this one on the third things and then I will be submit. I will not going to submit it because I do not need it. It is all up to you and your business goal, but you can set up to 8 events, right? Highly recommended कि तुसी जेड़ा first and which तुसी जो भी event track करना put onto the highest priority. You are going to tell to the Facebook, I want to track that event, please give me the all detail of that event, right? So Facebook ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੰਦਾ। ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ IT webinar registration which I usually use IT and digital marketing webinar. I always run that webinar. If you're new, you can watch my videos or you can just visit it on my website www.nzist.co.nz where I deliver the whole content free, just webinars and all this stuff, right? And then if you would like to add more events, you can go through your custom conversion. ਇੱਥੇ ਉਹ events ਆਣਗੇ guys ਜਿਹੜੇ last ਕੁਝ time ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ trigger ਹੋਏ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ event ਨਵਾਂ ਬਣਾਇਆ, you will not be see that event here, right? ਕੋਈ ਵੀ event ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਵਾਂ setup ਕੀਤਾ, ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ show ਹੋਏਗਾ unless ਉਹ trigger ਨਾ ਹੋਏ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ। means ਕੋਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ specific page ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਇੱਕ event ਬਣਾਇਆ, unless वो trigger नहीं होएगा वो इथे show नहीं होएगा. So just go to that page, trigger and wait up to 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. It takes time to bring the whole data from the pixels here. ठीक है, so ਤੁਸੀਂ 20 ਮਿੰਟ ਲਈ ਵੇਟ ਕਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਏਗੀ, then you will be see that all data here, all the events, that event which you set up here. So this is the basic understanding about. I'm not going to submit, I'm sorry, because if I submit that one it takes time to get it done and my ad will be paused for some time. So this is highly recommended. Agar tusi change karna chahne, do not change oftenly, just make your mind. Agar tusi if you know how you can select the objectives and all this stuff, watch my another videos. My whole channel is based on this, how I run my ads for my own business, right? This channel is basically, I'm going to share with you my whole tips and tricks. So that's it guys, I hope that will be help you out. Agar tusi nawe ho is channel te, do not forget to like this video. It help us to boost our channel, or it help us to read the YouTube algorithm to bring us in the front of other customer or other persons, right? So guys, do not forget to like this video, or if you consider more information from this channel, or you wanna get first notified whenever I release a new video, just do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much guys. Have any kind of question, comment below. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ directly ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ comment ਕਰਕੇ, right? That this is your options, the comment box is yours. Just comment it and I'll definitely give you a reply of the comments, and definitely would like to have a chat with you. Have any kind of question, ask, feel free to ask. Thank you so much guys, thanks so much for watching. Thank you again.